YouTube has yet again updated its monetization policy, but this time around it is on shorts. Yes. So if you are actually focusing on long form content, or you don't post shorts, or you don't plan on earning through shorts, then this particular video is not for you. This particular video is only addressing the monetization policy affecting shorts. So if you're actually doing shorts, or you plan on getting your channel monetized, and then you have the hope of earning through short, then this particular video is for you. Without wasting much of our time, let me just go into the screen record to show you guys what it's about. So in case you're seeing so amount on your short, you'll be like, and you're wondering what is actually going on, let's just actually go through this particular thing. Okay, ineligible short views. For the purpose of calculating payments, YouTube creates eligible engaged views. This means YouTube won't count engaged views that are ineligible. Sorry to cut you guys short right there. Meaning, YouTube actually pay for engaged views. Like those of us doing short, sometimes we used to see, not even sometimes, like nowadays we see engaged views, right? Like apart from normal views, you still see engaged views. So now YouTube is saying that there are some engaged views that are eligible, and there are some engaged views that are ineligible. So let's just go so you guys can actually see the difference. Examples where ineligible short views may occur: non-original shorts, such as unedited clips from other movies or TV shows; re-uploading other creators' content from YouTube or other platform; or compilations of no original content added. Okay, this particular one is actually for those people that actually use people's content without editing it. In as much as we all know, you can actually get your content from Instagram, from one particular platform, upload it just to get your 1,000 subscribers. When it is unedited, you just download it like 100%. The way you download it from Instagram or for whatever app you're actually using, that's the same way you still go ahead and upload it. Then just know you're not eligible to monetize. Like you cannot earn from such videos. If you want to earn from such video, make sure you edit it. Even if you check my video on the one I did on how to get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days, you will see that I showed you guys how to actually properly edit this particular video. If you want to use somebody else's content, don't just come and put it. Make sure that you actually edit it properly. Okay, let us just continue so you guys will understand. I don't want this video to be too long, but I think I'm talking so much. Okay, artificial or fake views of shorts, such as automated clicks or scroll bots. So this one is actually self-explanatory. I don't want to spend too much time on this. So views of shorts that are inconsistent with our advertiser-friendly content guidelines. So let's just quickly go on to the next. Blocked shorts. Shorts over 1 minute in length that contain claimed content are blocked and not eligible for monetization. Do you guys actually understand? This is actually self-explanatory too. I don't think I should be spending much time explaining all of this. Okay. By the way, guys, you guys can actually go ahead to read all of this through. Yeah, it's actually online. Yeah. Okay, so let me now head through to this particular part. If a monetizing creator uploads a short without any music, all of the revenue associated with it goes to the creator pool. Meaning, when you upload that part that you can actually click on add music. Sometimes we add music. Why? Because we want our videos to go viral, want our shorts to go viral. That's like one of the advantages of adding music. Your videos will actually go viral. Especially if you use a trending music, your videos will go viral. But if you are not actually using any song, you are not using any trending music, it might still go viral, but the highest chance is most times when you actually, had a trending music, but then they are telling you that if you do not have any music, you will get your full revenue. But then they say, if a monetizing creator upload a short with music in it, then YouTube will split the revenue associated with its views between the creator pool and the music partners based on the number of tracks used. So this one is actually that when you're actually adding songs, just know that you're sharing your revenue. So this one is for those of you saying, why is it that my short, this particular one, I'm earning so amount, but this amount, so what is actually going on? That's because the one you actually use music for, the one you choose that add music for, the advantage, you will go viral. The disadvantage, you will share that revenue. You're not going to eat that money alone because that music actually helped you to get those views. So you should be expecting all of that. So if you know that you don't want to share your revenue, you want to have your revenue all to yourself, then do not use ad music. Just use your original voice. you will get your money. But when you add that song, if you use one song, look at what they said here. They said based on the number of tracks, meaning if you use 1, 2, 3, you will share it among all of them. You will share it irrespective of the number of songs that you use. So I hope this one actually clarifies this. So if you are doing shorts, know what you're doing, know what you're getting into. So guys, I hope this actually clarifies the misconception you guys have been having regarding shorts, like thinking, oh, what is actually happening to my revenue? So when you're doing shorts, know what you're actually going into. Be ready. Know what you want to do. Know the ups and downside. So don't just think that, oh, shorts is like the easy way. Are you ready to share that revenue? I don't want this video to be too long. I think I should just stop here, guys. By the way, before I end this particular video, my coaching is still on. You can reach out to me. My email, I'm going to put it on the screen for you guys to actually see. Reach out to me on my email and just tell me what you want. I attend for different cases. Anything regarding YouTube growth, channel review, just reach out to me. I'm right there. I'm going to be answering you guys. All right. In case if you're just finding my channel for the first time, this is N with Ineka. I'm your baby girl. By the way, guys, don't mind this particular mic of mine. I just got it. Yeah, you guys are going to be seeing more of this mic in this video, in this channel rather. All right. Please do also hit on the like button in case you find any value or if you learned anything at all, or even if you don't even find value, you not learn anything. The fact that you love me, if you love me, just click on that like button. Thank you so much. And do also leave a comment section if you have anything you want to say or share. And do also share this particular video with your family, friends, so that it's going to get to a wider range of people. Yeah. All right. See you again in our next video. Bye, guys.